Hola a todos! I'm Alex and I'm happy to welcome you to this 7-day course about getting organized. So today we have day 1, we arrive. Today I'll tell you about what the course is about and give you your first homework. So why do we have this course? Well, we often are overwhelmed by all the things we have around us and we have to do. This can be like work related, it can be in our free time, whatever that means. We have a lot of input, so people give us things to do, but we also have like social media, we can watch TV, we can read books, we can do so many things, but our time is limited. So as a result, we often feel overwhelmed by all the possibilities we have around us. And even though we work a lot, we try to achieve a lot of things, at the end of the day, it feels, or sometimes it's even true, that we're not getting anywhere, that we're not achieving anything. And in this course, I want to get you out of this vicious cycle of trying to do more and actually achieving less. So in this course, we will go step by step to give you a better awareness and understanding of what you have to do in relation to the time you have available. And by getting this kind of awareness, you will be much more conscious about your decisions, about how you invest your time. And I mean that literally. Think about money. When you have money, your investments are usually very conscious decisions. While with time, we are often rather like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. Think of time as money and about an investment. And this is what we're going to train in this course. So every day we have a short video on YouTube, like 5 minutes. And in this video, you find the instructions of the topic of that day and also some homework. So the homework will usually be structured in morning, during the day a little bit, and in the evening when you finish off your day. So I would advise you always to watch the video, but for the homework, especially when you go back at the end of the day and you want to recap to see, okay, what do I have to do? You can also have a look at the website and at the description below the video. So there are also those instructions for your homework. And let's start with your homework for today. So first of all, very important, put a bookmark on this YouTube playlist and also on the website. You will find the link to the website in the description of this video. And so you can come back every day and find it easily. And then your homework is for today. Just grab a piece of paper, or you can use a text file or something, and write down a list of topics that are going on in your life right now. So that can be work projects, it can be private projects, maybe it's planning your next vacation. So anything that's going on in your life, or maybe upcoming topics in your life, just write them down. No specific order, just put them somewhere. And when you have that list, also go through that list and think about how you feel when you think about those topics. Is it something that you enjoy doing? Is it something that you fear maybe? Is it something that bores you? Is it like, do you feel there are too many? Is it, just check yourself to see how do you feel when you go through this list. And write that down as well. So this list is not for eternity, it's just put it somewhere where you can find it again during the week. That's the only thing. And that's it for today. So I see you tomorrow. Hasta luego.